part of our commitment to using some new green energy, we have in our Riverfront Park it's called an EnergiPlant, and it's from Primo Wind, and it generates electricity by solar, sun, and also by wind. So perfect spot is our Riverfront Park. We have the wind coming off our Hudson River. It has 3 benches attached to it, and our residents who use the park are able to charge up their phones, their mobile devices. We're also going to add Wi-Fi capabilities. So we're really excited. We just put it in our park. It's going to be there throughout the summer. Also thank O'Kane Enterprises for setting it up and donating it to us for the summer. We're testing it out, and if it works, we may put some up at our town pool, may put it in some of our parks. So it's a great way. It's no cost for electricity. It's run by sun and wind, and it really is we've a lot of interest. A lot of the residents come into the park, and they're excited to see this new bench with the wind and the flowers, and so we're really happy to have it there. They reached out to us, and they also worked with the CUNY schools in New York City, who were doing some research on solar energy. So they were looking for a place to test it and put it in a park. So what a better place than our historic Riverfront Park.